Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Storix. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. As Storix will create, design, format, and style your prompt store preloaded with ADK prompts in a few clicks. Finally, say goodbye to paying for hosting monthly and getting below par services, as we're providing dedicated hosting for all the stores created. Integrate your favorite payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, and also your bank accounts, and ensure effortless monetization with no hassles. Storix comes at a low one-time price during the launch offer. So, no need to opt for expensive monthly subscriptions. Storix comes with DFY Blog Builder with the built-in ChatGPT technology and creates unique and relevant blog posts daily. No need to face the grind, as this easy-to-use technology create profit-pulling prompt stores for hungry audience globally in 3 easy clicks. Storix has your back. Just use this state-of-the-art technology and watch us create amazing prompt stores even when you're on the move. Forget hiring freelancers. Storix creates ready-to-profit prompt stores loaded with ADK prompts in just 3 clicks. This mind-blowing technology has been crafted from the grounds up, keeping your needs in mind. Just plug and play this masterpiece in action, and we'll take care of the rest. We're offering dedicated customer support for our dedicated customers. For any queries, reach out to us and our customer support architects will take care of the rest, period. Storix creates, designs, formats and styles your prompt store preloaded with ADK prompts in a few clicks. ChatGPT has completely taken the internet by the storm, and business owners are making its best use to scale their business. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. With its numerous benefits, companies can improve their communication and support, increase efficiency, and at the same time improve customer satisfaction. Thus, it can also solve a common problem of skills shortages in certain fields, as some tasks can be taken over by ChatGPT. The most significant benefit of ChatGPT is that it automates various tasks and helps users quickly get the data they need. How good your ChatGPT responses are depends entirely on the ChatGPT prompts you use. The truth is, ChatGPT can be incredibly effective for lead generation, content creation, and even outreach. Discovering the best ChatGPT prompts can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline communication across various domains. Business owners, boost your productivity by utilizing high-quality prompts specifically crafted to meet the requirements of experts like sales agents, advertisers, skilled laborers, and entrepreneurs. The use of artificial intelligence, AI, technology is expanding, creating a demand for prompt engineers who can help AI systems respond effectively to human instructions. Prompt engineering offers many possibilities that can lead to a rewarding career. As with any new technology and corresponding career fields, the employment landscape for prompt engineers may change. As of April 2024, ZipRecruiter reports a national average salary in the US of $62,997, with low salaries around $32,500 and high salaries around $95,500, based on jobs employers have posted on ZipRecruiter. Now that's something that shocked you, right? It's no secret that selling accurate prompts has the potential to greatly enhance your sales and marketing efforts. Along with that, reliable prompts also make a business owner's team more effective, reliable. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.